City lights shimmering bright through the mist. Across the night, Yangtze whispers tales untold. Histories blend where paths unfold. Bridges glowing in the dark. Chongqing dreams leave a mark. Majestic meets modern, timeless pride. Through bustling streets where old collides with a new and vibrant melodies. This city's heart beats endlessly mountain high to rivers caught, echoing in every hall. Proudly standing through the years, carrying stories, shedding tears. Architectural wonders leave a city soul, a living dream. Majestic meets modern, timeless pride. Through bustling streets where old collides with a new and vibrant melodies. This city's heart beats endlessly. Traditions held with open arms.